Within the development of network information technology, cybercrime has become one of the most concerned topics. That means by which hackers attack the internet are constantly changing. After researching and looking up information online, I found a lot of information about computers being hacked. I found that these new ways of hacking into computers can be divided into roughly 6 categories. As you can see, all of these 6 new ways are shown on the slide. Firstly is personalized denial-of-service attacks, which means new attacks on Internet, modems, and Wi-Fi routers could knock them offline for extended periods of time, frustrating consumers trying to log onto the Internet. The main target of this approach are banks, retailers, and tech sites. The second category, we call it no such things as safer Wi-Fi, which means this way is mainly used to hack through public Wi-Fi hotspots. In addition, researchers have recently found that 3rd-generation mobile broadband modems could also be vulnerable. Hackers don't even have to be within range of the wireless signal to launch an attack. It can be done remotely over the Internet. The third category, we call it thumb drive malware. This virus is a new type of thumb drive malware. It hides in the thumb drive's controller chip and cannot be detected by current antivirus or anti-malware tools. It hijacks a computer to steal information or spy on the user. The fourth category is the cheat of breaking. This virus helps hackers hijack key parts of a computer that control the boot process and other basic functions in a variety of ways to keep it from running. Hackers can also use this attack to infect the computer with a virus that would be almost impossible to fully remove. This is the fifth category, which means hackers can gain access to your information and pictures by hacking into your personal social media. And this is the final categories, which called fake websites. The researchers have found flaws in the way that web authenticates well-known websites that could allow attackers to replace legitimate sites with text was designed to infect your computer and steal your information. This approach is particularly concerning for banking and e-commerce sites, which could be faked to steal your money. That's all. Thank you.